Hi everyone! Welcome to Bim Bim and Mommy Tess Vlogs! Hi guys! Tara sa Kinder City! Hi everyone! Welcome again to Kinder City! Guys. So this is the place where my grandchildren and I usually have a break. Okay, if they want to go to the playground, so this is the place where they go. Okay, so naku po, kapag every time na sumasama ako, I must be ready na mapagod. Yeah. So this Kinder City po is located here inside Vista Mall, Dasmariñas, Cavite. So this is open, I think, 9 o'clock in the morning. And then, dito kapag pumasok ka, it will take you an hour inside. Sabay-sabay po yan. So after an hour, okay, the bell will ring. So that means your time is up. Okay. So we are waiting. Ano kami? 5:30 to 6:30 ang aming session today. Kaya in few minutes, we will be inside Kinder City. That is a reception. Ito yung ano nila, waiting area. Yan, dito mo na uupo while waiting for your time. Hi everyone! Welcome to
Kinder City.
Kinder City. So we're here again. This is the second time that I'll go with my grandchildren. Okay, we just want to have a short break here at Kinder City. Okay, so what's our plan? Sama ko! Anong gagawin natin? Anong gagawin natin sa loob? Actually, meron silang slides, meron silang ano pa ba? Ayan daw. Ayan, so pinapakita lang ni Sammy kung ano yung sa loob ng Kinder City. Okay, so certainly we're going to enjoy. So, ayan na sila habang nasa labas na lang. Enjoy mo na. Ready na naman po ako para sa isang nakakapagod na adventure with my grandchildren today here at Kinder City. Okay, so hang on. Relax. Ano kaya? Hang on and join us. Okay, join with us guys. Okay, inside Kinder City. Everybody clean up, everybody clean up, everybody clean up. Ayan, naglilinis na sila. So before we get in, yeah, this is one good thing about Kinder City. Ayan, so they're cleaning and then nag-disinfect sila. Very good, very good. Our slippers there. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of our slippers. Put it in here, like the purple one. Okay, go, 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 go na Dwayne, go na Dwayne. Sammy, doon muna sila. Oh, Sammy, dito muna. Dwayne, dito muna, Dwayne. Sammy. Ako, makyat na kaagad sila. Okay. First they have is the Little All Day Supermarket. Yeah, what's inside? Hello. Ayan. Meron silang supermarket. Yan. Cute naman. Okay, next stop po. Ano to? Kinder Heroes. Yan, dyan sila sa... And the third, meron silang Casey Police. Cute naman. Parang this is a police station. Okay, yan. Tax form, lieutenant's office. I don't know what are those numbers for. I don't know. Next stop po ay sa Ginger Cafe.
Where am I gonna sit?
Oh, may mga nips. Cute. Okay, next stop. Andito yung mga apo ko. Hi! Casey Kingdom City Garage. Look at them. Hi! Okay. No running. Slow and steady wins the race. Yan. All the plate numbers. Different plate numbers. Yeah, yeah. This is a mini house with a balcony. Okay, look at that. Yeah. Kids could try to go up the stair. Yeah, very good. Lovely, lovely place. Yeah. What's that, Sky? Yeah. Let's go to the helicopter. Sky, 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 let's go to the helicopter. Come here. There's the helicopter. Come on. Come on, ride on the helicopter. Be careful. Yeah, be careful. Look at that. They have a VitaCare clinic. Yeah. What else do they have? There's a trampoline area. Okay, that's Little Hand Studio. So I don't know what's in here. Nad, Sabaya. Kinder City, Pin Art. Ano ba ito ginagawa? Adyo. Parang hindi ko. Parang tayong bata. That's nice. And next they have welcome to the Kinder City Bar. Okay, this is Little Georgia Academy. So this is an area where you can see ice cream cart. And also there's a little Bake My Day. Okay, kids can, you know, can give a try how to do the baking here in this area. It's a beautiful place. I don't know what's in there. Where are you going, Sky? Somewhere? Would you like to go upstairs? Bea, would you like to go upstairs? Huh? So what are you going to do? You're cooking? Okay. Wow. She said she's cooking. And would you like to prepare the food on the table? Yes? Preparing the food on the table? Okay. You have to do it properly. Slice it. Yan, slice the meat.
Enjoy the trampoline.
Akyat na niya. Aray ko po, aray ko po. Aray ko po. Hala. One, two, three, go! Jump! Jump! Jump!
More fun at the slides.
Sana all.
Ay, iwanan mo na yan. Iwanan mo na yan. Iwanan mo na yan. Hawak, 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 hawak. Hawak. Then slowly. No, 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 no. Wait for me. Wait for me. No. Dito tayo. Play tayo. Dito lang ka. Dito, dito. Bas. Dito. Dito, dito. Ha? Slide ikaw? Do you know to do it? No? Oh. Wait lang. Ha? Sino? Saan ako?
Down. Now down.
Wait lang. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! Bea! Okay, come on, Skyla! Come on!
Beba nga mga siya sa last.
Bea! Bea! Yee! Hey! What happened? Hoy! Hawak! Hawak! Hindi natatakot, oh? No! Woo! Hurry up! Hello, Coco. Nakasali pa si Berlan. Hello. Oh. Wala si Bea? Wala na? Oh, doon ka na, Bea. It's time to go home. Okay, we're done.
We're going to the steak center.
Yeah, we're going to the steak center to watch volleyball. But to be honest, I'm so tired. Ako'y napagod. Grabe. Okay, so we just enjoy, guys. We're gonna go to the steak center to watch volleyball. Bea, did you enjoy?
No, the teacher Papa did buy me slime.
Huh? What's that?
Slime.
So you wanna go back to Kinder City?
No slime. It's not slime.
Slime? There's no slime here.
No slime.
Okay, next time we're gonna buy. Let's buy. Okay, you say thank you for watching.
We're going to
Watching. Bye bye.
By the way, we are buying potato corner.
Take the corner. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.